outcome ng inyong medical career. Kung gusto ko lang malaman ngayon, kung i-rate niyo po from 1 to 10, how satisfied are you pagdating po sa inyong music career?
Oh, very good question. Kagaya yung sabi ko na walang masamang tinapay, I treat myself the same. Walang masamang tinapay sa akin. For myself, for example, I know myself, I'm not Martin Rivera. But it doesn't mean I cannot be like him. It's just so happened, nauna siya sa akin, mas marami siyang network, and then mas marami siyang support system. At saka, concentrated siya sa ganun. I believe if you concentrate in one, malayong mararating mo eh, consistent ka lang. Where I am right now is because of consistency. Kasi, I train every May I'm here, every May I'm here. Every year may bagong laro. So, yung society nagtatrain. Every year may lalabas na yun, may lalabas na May, So, I believe in consistency. Kung mabibigyan ako ng tamang support system like the people I mentioned, I can be there. Kasi before everything else, sumasali ako sa competition, Philippines palagi ako first. Diba? So alam mo naman yung kaya lang, I believe in politics, in everything. Entertainment is politics, nursing is politics. It's about kung sino yung meron ng kapit na matutulungan ka. Kagaya ng mga competitions, diba? Ang daming nananalo sa competition, but where are they now? Kasi wala silang nag-hold ng sponsors. So, it's about finding that person kung sino makakatulong sa'yo to open your door. So, kaya lang, hopefully, pero if I have to rate myself right now based on that, you can say around maybe 7 or 7, 8, but not really 10. Kasi 10 for me is like, you're exactly very known mo talaga. Like Martin and Jen, mga ganun na yun. Sa akin, parang lang ako, floating lang. Hindi yun.
Okay, my next question po. Speaking of mga contests, and many Filipino artists making names abroad, just like Mate Hunosa, Jessica Sanchez, si Sopronio Vasquez, mga nanalo na sa mga international contest. Kaya could you give us your reaction sa mga Filipino artists na making names?
I had the privilege to host for Sopronio. Pumunta sa Chicago, ako yung actual host niya.
Okay.
So we work together. So naalala niya yung we used to work in Kumu. Doon si Sopronio dati, di ba? So nung nakita niya ako, sabi ko, bumusta yung Adarna. Tinanapunan ko siya ng Adarna kasi galing talaga yung Sopronio. Kumu pa yun eh. So when I saw him, naalala niya. So we had a picture together. So, but when you ask me, the three of them were not deserving. Ang artist actually. So I'm so glad we needed Asian Americans to really make a mark sa international scene. Kasi ang hirap. Dito lang sa Philippines, ang hirap na eh, kung ano yung pangalan. Can you imagine pangalan mo sa worldwide? Hindi pa ready yung European and Black and Latino to embrace Asian characters as the top, di ba? So itong si Sopronio and Mati and Jessica, I think ang mangyayari sa kanila is just like me, floating lang sa international scene. You see Lea Salonga. Lea is award winner na, di ba? Pero if you compare them to Beyonce or Britney Spears, floating lang din sila. Yeah. Kasi hindi pa ready talaga international scene sa Asian market. But I'm very happy we are slowly breaking in. Galing-galing ni Mati, Dalawang golden buzzer.
Correct. It's amazing.
Nakaka-proud yun.
Did you also support Bini sa Coachella? Malapit sa lugar mo yun, di ba sir?
Bini.
Yeah.
I support everybody. Lalo na Philippine descent.
Okay. My last question kay Miss Evelyn and kay Miss Hannah. Of all the songs na narinig yun ng ginawa ni Sir Nick, alin po yung pinaka-paborito niyo and why?
Gusto ko itong dance about dancing in the ocean. Kasi pag naririnig ko ito, sumasayaw ako kahit ang mag-isa. O kahit hindi kayo nakatingin. O kahit nakatingin kayo. I will just dance. Kasi gusto ko yung music. Of course, may music sa gospel music na
Therapeutic po sa inyo yung danceable songs niya? Therapeutic po sa inyo yung danceable songs niya? Okay. How about si ano po, Miss Hannah? What is your most favorite songs sa lahat ng mga na-release na ni Sir Lee?
Well, lahat naman po talaga is like a beautiful.